Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sachin and I'm vlogging. Today is Monday and my friend is getting married, a childhood friend of mine. So I'm planning to go there, but I don't know with whom I'm going. But right now I'm on my way to post office at Moirang to get back the things which I've sent from Baroda. I'll be going there with one of my younger brother and I'll keep updating you guys about how will happen or what would happen about this marriage I'm going to attend. Yeah. It will old phone like this. And my tripod is also broken. Yeah, I got this. My chance price. I'm going with him. And the weather is gloomy. We might get wet. I don't know. Yeah, we'll be heading now to the wedding place. So we're taking shelter here. And by the time we reach here, I think we'll be all wet by this condition.
Pardon me, why don't you come over?
We reached the place and no one is here. Right. We sat at the outdoors with the elders and we were not so used to this and many people were not there. We felt awkward. Then I suddenly noticed Darsana was preparing our bride. Not preparing, he was dressing up the bride. With his work, he did a great job, I would say. Because we don't know how to spend time there, so we came out here and we are here at the destination where the wedding gonna happen. This is the place, the Sri Govindaji temple at Ningtakong. I'll show you guys. This is the place. That the wedding gonna happen at Aribam or somewhere, I don't know. I've shown you this place, but let's see. This will be the place or not. We came back at the price home and I learned I got allergies on my neck. I'm very sensitive to this thing. And the whole wedding I spent with the allergies on my face, and here it is, you can see how good I was looking at that moment. Very good camera, that's why. Guys, hi. Hi. How is the wedding?
It's very good, and the bride is doing very great. She's very beautiful.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I'm the one who's in the costume. Yeah.
Hey!
money because we can buy two-wheelers and we can't afford to get wet again. That's the reason. So bye, we're done with the thing. We're going back home.